So listen, if you've applied for business credit and got denied or got approved, but it wasn't for anything that actually helps your business, you're probably making one of these 5 common mistakes. And trust me, you're not alone. I see this all the time with new business owners just getting started. The good news is these mistakes are super common and super fixable, because I too, at one point, started a business, didn't know what business credit was, and when I started building business credit, once I got the education and knowledge, it was super fixable and I was able to get the funds. So hello, beautiful people. Lisa here, and welcome to the Biznezz Academy. If you're new to business or just starting to learn about business credit, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and like and subscribe and just watch my videos. Get your pen and paper ready to take notes, and welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Listen, I've made some of these mistakes myself, so I am not here to judge you. I am here to help you and guide you. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to avoid and what to fix, so you can start building real business credit, the kind that gets you access to funding, cards, vehicles, and opportunities to help grow your brand the right way. Get your pen and paper ready, guys, to take notes. And another thing, I don't care if your business is brand new. If your personal credit isn't the best, this is still the video for you, because I am going to share with you mistakes, the common mistakes that we all make when we start out. You don't know what you don't know. And you're still going to build business credit the right way. But if you avoid these 5 mistakes, you're not going to build business credit the right way. Get your pen and paper ready to take notes, family. Now let's get into it. Mistake number 1 is mixing your personal and business financing. And let me tell you what happens when you're using your personal credit cards or bank accounts to pay for business stuff. It's usually easier. This is why you're doing it, and no one told you otherwise. Why it hurts. And it hurts because lenders and vendors can't see your business as separate from you. And it puts your personal credit at risk. It also makes you look less legit, guys. So let me tell you how you're going to fix it. You're going to open that business checking account in your business name, and you're going to stop using your personal credit cards for your business purchases. This is the first step. Do not do this when you make profits and you think, oh, I'm just going to open a checking account when I make money. No, you do it in the beginning. We're going for great here. I know this all too well, because when I started my business, guys, I was using this, that, and the other. And when tax time came, it was a hot mess. So make sure you always separate from the beginning. Open a business checking account and use this account for all business transactions. Don't use that personal credit card. Don't use that personal savings or checking account. Use the account that has your business name on it. You got it? Mistake number 2, your business isn't set up to be fundable. What happens? You set up your LLC, but didn't get a business phone number, business email, or real address for your business. Why it hurts? When lenders look you up, they don't see a professional, credible business. They see red flags, red flag, red flag. This is how you fix it. Make sure you have a business address, not your home address or P.O. box. You want a professional email like info@yourbusinessname.com. A business phone number is also part of the credibility. It can be a Google Voice, Grasshopper. Your business listed on 411. That way you're listed and your business shows it is credible, because they can look at 411, look it up, and see your business. This is what makes lenders take you seriously. This is what I call credibility. So you want to have that address that's separate from your home address. Make sure it's not a P.O. box. And you want to make sure that it's a virtual address. I have that for my businesses, and that's just real credible. You want to make sure you have a business phone number that's separate from your personal phone number. You want to make sure that you have an email and website so that it's credible. Very important, guys. Mistake number 3, applying for too many credit cards early. This is what usually happens. You jump straight into applying for credit cards or loans without building any business credit history first. Let me tell you why it hurts. You get denied, and that denial sticks to your file. Plus, it shows lenders you're not ready. All right, let me tell you how to fix it. You start small and steady. You want to open 3 to 5 net 30 vendor accounts that report to your business credit profile and business credit bureaus like Quell, Sumo Office, and NAV. You want to pay them on time every time and let that build your business credit. So 3 to 5 vendor accounts at first, small and steady. Mistake number 4, not monitoring your business credit reports. Now this is what happens. You have no idea what's actually on your business credit file or if anything's reporting at all and why this hurts. Errors go unnoticed, approvals get delayed, and you miss out on opportunities because you're not in control. This is how you fix it. Set up free accounts with nav.com to monitor your full business credit picture. Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Check them monthly like you do your bank account. And there you have it. Those are the 5 biggest mistakes I see new entrepreneurs and newbies making with business credit. The best part, every single one of these is 100% fixable. You don't have to stay stuck or feel intimidated by the process. If you take the right steps, you can build real business credit that works for you. Now, here's what I want you to do. Go back through this list, figure out which of these mistakes you might be making right now, and fix them. And if you would like to get on a call with me so that I can help you, just click on the link below. It is a free call. The sooner you get these in order, the sooner you can move towards approvals, funding, and real growth for your business. And my name is Lisa, and I approve this message. And listen, when you win, I win, and we can win together. This is the best time to build business credibility for that business. Listen, in this climate of uncertainty and people are losing their jobs, why not start your business or side hustle while you're working that 9 to 5 and build that business credit so that you can leverage your dream business? I know you have it in you. I love you. I love you. I love you.